Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of gold USD in front of us right now, and as we all know that there is a confusion mess going on in the chart of gold USD. During the start of the week, we could see some heavy selling on the chart of gold, and after that there was a complete mass confusion on the chart of gold USD, and you can clearly see on the chart that right now gold is just consolidating and lastly closed at 1790.49. If you have watched my previous videos on gold USD, then you know very well that I have been talking about the 1790 level for last couple of months, because 1790 was acting as a very important level for the market in the past, as well as it is an important level for the market in the present as well. Before we proceed, I would like to talk about the chart of US dollar, because as we all know that dollar has a huge impact on the forex market as well as on the gold, because whenever dollar goes up, gold goes down, and whenever dollar goes down, gold goes up. And on Saturday, just 1 week ago, when I uploaded a video on the chart of gold, then I clearly mentioned on my video that there would be selling on the chart of gold because dollar was just standing at the support, and as expected we were expecting that yes, market faced some selling pressure. Anyways, right now you can see that dollar, okay, after the consolidation, dollar is going up again, and you can see that I have drawn a bullish flag here. Okay, it looks like a bullish flag here, and right now market is going up again. But keep in mind, okay, if dollar starts going up again, we have a resistance at this particular level of 92.78. 92.78. At 92.78 on the US dollar, we have a resistance, and right now market is trading at 92.64. So on Monday, if the market goes up also, okay, then there is a possibility that US dollar will be coming down again. And if US dollar reverses from this level again, then again we will see some buying on the gold, because whenever US dollar goes down, gold goes up. Okay, so if on Monday market starts going, US dollar starts going up from here, then definitely at 90, this level 92.78 will be acting as a resistance for the market. And during the last closing hours, we can see that US dollar has formed two green candles here, but gold didn't go up like we expected. Okay, so if we look at the chart of US dollar, okay, still we do not have a proper picture here. Okay, we can just see that it has formed a bullish flag kind of a pattern, and if it goes up from here, then definitely it will face resistance at this level. And if it reverses, okay, if it reverses from the resistance, then definitely we will see some good buying on the gold chart. So now let's get back to the chart of gold here. So gold chart is a mess here, because you can see that it has been lingering around this level 1790 level for quite some time. And in my earlier videos also, I have talked about the volatility contraction pattern, because gold chart is the best example of volatility contraction pattern. In simple words, the volatility always shifts in the market. Market always move from higher volatility to lower volatility, and lower volatility to higher volatility. Listen to me carefully. So whenever market goes or becomes very volatile, market takes rest for some time. And whenever you'll find market taking rest, then you should get ready for some action. So you can see that gold chart. Okay, in the chart of gold here, market was taking rest here, then market became volatile. Market was taking rest, volatile. Again, market took rest for some time, and there was a huge drop in the market. Again, market was taking rest, went up. Here market is taking rest, went up, and again market is taking rest again. So this is the best example of volatility contraction pattern. Right now gold is taking rest, so there is a good possibility on Monday or Tuesday we will get to see some good action or good move on the chart of gold again. And as I have just explained on the chart of DXY, so DXY has just reached the resistance here. So in case dollar starts falling, then definitely we will see some good buying on the chart of gold. And on the other hand, if dollar breaks the resistance, listen to me carefully, on the other hand, if dollar breaks the resistance, then we will see some good selling on the gold again. Anyways, what should be our strategy for gold again? Okay, so just listen to me carefully here. As long as market is trading here, we do not have any clear picture right now. So if possible, okay, if possible, try to avoid. If possible, try to avoid, because see, you can also clearly see on the chart that you do not have a clear picture. And just tell me one thing, do you think that this chart deserves your hard-earned money? Do you think that your hard-earned money should be invested on a chart that does not have any proper direction? No, it's a big no. So you should wait for the market to give you a proper direction right now. Yes, 1790 is a very important level for the market, but we cannot deny the fact that though market is standing at 1790 level for last couple of days, but still we do not have any proper movement. Ultimately, a trader cannot make money if there is no proper movement in the market. So what I requesting you is that wait for the gold chart to give you some move. Sorry, you wait for the USD chart, DXY chart to give you some move here. Or until and unless there is a proper move on the chart of DXY or gold, you should not trade. And if in case there is a heavy buying, or in case you see some good buying on the chart of dollar here, sorry, what I'm saying, yeah, I'm out of mind. If you find good buying on the chart of gold, then you can, yes, you can go for buy. Just keep in mind that this will be your take profit target, 1808 level. 1808 will be your take profit target, because this is a level from the weekly chart. And on the other hand, if you go for a sell here, then 1776 will be your take profit target. 1776 will be your take profit target. So 1808 is your target if you go for a buy, and 1776 is your take profit target if you go for sell. And right now, looking at the present condition of the market, I'll just request you to wait for a market to give you a proper move, because as you can see here, we do not have any proper picture about the market's direction. And I have already explained that this is a good example of volatility contraction pattern. Wait for the market to give you move, then only place on the button, because I believe that this chart does not deserve your hard-earned money. And I'll request you to wait for some time. That's it. And my dear friends, recently I have launched a Protrader membership program where you can be a part of my analysis, where I'll be sharing the best trading opportunities on the market with you. If you're interested, then just please visit the Protrader section on my website, avilashhazarika.com. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. Bye bye. See ya on Monday again.